This is a simple and fast review of the AMADAW Heat Block Sunshade Umbrella for a Jeep Compass 2016. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
First thing I want to show you is that it does come with an instruction manual, a little guide to kind of walk you through how this all works, all that stuff. And as you get it out of the box, it comes with a nice little bag that you can then stick underneath your seat or in your door panel or whatever. Very nicely put together. Um, Now I'm going to have some struggles here. Just for filming, I apologize if I'm missing anything. I'm wearing a pair of glasses, AI glasses that allow me to record. I'm trying this out. So I'm hoping this gets it, but either way, I'll try and just be over, up and down and a little too much probably at times to kind of show you. The main issue I'm worried about is this thing potentially blocking. So I'm going to do my best to install without that being a challenge, just because it's a little kind of dash cam for my daughter. And we're going to just slide this in the best of my ability here without messing up too much over and around that. And note that this thing bends, and that's the kind of key here, is that it will be flexible and allow you to kind of get around some things. So as we get up and around, it actually does a pretty good job overall of hitting the spots here. There is some open space. It does cover probably like 90% of this really nicely. And again, you can kind of adjust this as needed to kind of prop it up the way you want. But for me, this takes care of the majority of this. And now the secondary thing you want to do is just hold it in place. Just kind of kick these things into space just to make sure they hold it and do their job. So overall, this thing is awesome. And the beauty, again, is kind of the foldability. Once we're done, kind of straighten it back out and make sure you undo the Velcro. And then, again, forgive me because I'm trying to go around this little dash cam, but and that little hangy thing that my daughters have. But it does make it really simple and easy to kind of close up and fold. And we'll get there here with a simple close and then put it in the bag. That has a Velcro, by the way, to make it easier to get it in. And then, again, Velcro will close for you. So definitely worth buying to me. This is really, so I think I cut out there at the end, but really easy to store. Literally can put it right in the door over there if you need to, underneath the seat or whatever, wherever you need it to be. So this car is a bit of a mess. Apologies, but definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.